Hello. Hi, good evening to everyone. Today we are going to check the flange. We are going to see the flange leakage check for the flanges. Generally, flange leakage will be checked based on the criteria given in the stress design basis. In some stress design basis, they will give some criteria like for 24-inch line and 900 rating flanges only we need to check the flange leakage. That is maybe in onshore. In offshore, like a FESO or fixed platforms, generally for all the flanges we used to check the flange leakage check, particularly for all the top sides, lines coming on the top sides. Okay, so there are two types of flange leakage check. One is equivalent pressure method, and second one is NC3658.3. Okay, first we'll check the equivalent pressure method. If it is failing in equivalent pressure method, then we'll go for NC3658.3. Okay, first we'll see how to check the flange leakage. Generally, flange leakage will be checked at the where it is going to connect with the other flange or with other valves. For example, this is in this case this is a valve. Okay, so these two are flanges. So we are going to check the flange leakage at this point. This point. So where air only gasket will be available. So we are going to check the flange leakage at this point. Okay, first we'll see how to select the flange leakage. For example, you take this line. Okay, wherever flanges are there, we need to check the flange leakage. So you have to select this place and double click this one, flange check, and equivalent pressure method. Select P equivalent, and then you have to select both flange node location because both places we need to check the flange leakage. Then you have to select read from file and select ASME 2009, and here for this particular flanges the rating is around 900, so and also material is A105, so we have to select this 1.1. So these subcodes are available in ASME 16.5, that is for standard for flanges. Okay, so up to 24 inch only it will be available, and after 24 inch 26 to 60 inch it will be available in ASME B16.47 series A or B. Okay, so in this case we have to select this 1.1, click OK. So you will get all the parameters, temperature and pressure. It will automatically taken from the inbuilt ASME B16.5. Okay, and then you have to run the analysis. So here we need to check the flange leakage from for these cases from hydro to sustain. So you can build on load case like maximum load case also, or you can check individual load case also. First I am going to check individual load case for this. Okay, load case number 2. Select here and is select flange leakage, flange pressure equivalent. So here you can see the ratio is more than 100%, so it is failing. It is showing that failure is there at these flanges. You see so many flanges are failing. So if it is failing like this, then we will go for NC3658.3 method. So in NC3658.3 also, if it is failing means, then final option will be the routing change to reduce the bending moment and axial force. So if you reduce the bending moment, automatically your stresses will come down. Your pressure stress will come down, so your ratio also will come down. Okay, so then we'll check the NC3658.3. Again I am selecting the same node. It is 6120 to 6130. So here now we have to change NC3658.3. If you select NC3658.3, you can see these parameters needs to be entered. I mean bolt area. Bolt area we can calculate from ASME be 16.5. That is area of a bolt is you can calculate using area of pi d square by 4 into number of bolts. Okay, for example, in this case, this is a 16-inch line and 900 rating flanges. So you can calculate in as per base 16.5. And bolt circle diameter also it will be available in 16.5. And yield strength you can take it from ASME 31.3 or from CAESAR itself. If you go to the first or if you double click this allowable stress, you will find this yield strength. So this value needs to be entered for yield strength SYC. SYC is nothing but yield strength at for cold temperature, and this is for yield strength 1 to SY9. You have to enter all the values. Okay, after entering all the values, again you have to run this one. Now if it is passing means then there is no danger of leakage of flanges. So okay, so now we are going to check NC3658.3. Sorry, you can view the reports or you can extract in Excel sheets also or Word file also. You see at node number 6120 we have defined 6120, so your percentage is very less, so your flange leakage is okay at this for this flanges. Okay, so thank you. If you have any doubts, please revert me. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.